So this is a differentiation based question for A levels P3. The curve y is equals to ln x upon x cube has one stationary point. Find the x coordinate of this point. Okay, so stationary point means that dy upon dx is equals to 0 and we have to find the x coordinate. Fine. So looking at the equation of curve, we know that it's a quotient law, and for quotient law we know the formula that it's dy upon dx is equals to vu dash minus uv dash upon v square. Now we need to identify the u's and v's. So u is equals to ln x and v is equals to x cube. So u dash is going to be 1 upon x and v dash is equals to 3x square. For those who did not understand how ln x got differentiated, for them I'll explain it. So when it's an ln function, we differentiate it by f dash of x upon f of x. This means that whatever the ln function is, the differentiated answer for that will come in the numerator and the original equation will go in the denominator. So in this case it was ln x. So the original equation is x, and what's the differentiation of x? It's 1. So the differentiation of ln x became 1 upon x. So coming back to the question, we are going to input the values. For v it is x cube, u dash is 1 upon x minus ln x 3x square and dividing by v square. Now we are going to simplify this. So it's going to become x square minus 3x square ln x upon x to the power 6, and now we're going to equate it to 0 because we need to find the stationary point, the x coordinate of the stationary point. So now if we send x to the power 6 over here, it's going to become 0. So we're going to be left with this thing, and then we can take x square as common and it's going to be 1 minus 3 ln x. Again, if we send x square here, it's going to be divided by 0 and it's again going to become 0. So it's 0 equals to 1 minus 3 ln x. Now sending that over there, it's going to leave us with 1 upon 3 is equals to ln x. And when we shift ln to the other side, it becomes e. And the value becomes its power. So it's going to be this. And now when we put e to the power 1 upon 3 on the calculator, it's going to give us 1.39, which is basically rounded off to 1.40. So the x coordinate we have is 1.40.